Hi friends, today we are going to study about 4-stroke Otto engine. We know the cars are powered by engines. How do we know this? The rotating motion of the engine crankshaft is transmitted to the wheels by the drive shaft. The gearbox changes the number of rotations of the driven wheels during one turn of the crankshaft. In low gear, the output of the engine is high, but the speed is slow. In high gear, the car is faster, uses less fuel, but accelerates more slowly. Now you can see the engine. The most common types of engines used in the cars is the 4-stroke Otto engine. So you can see the cylinders. Converts the alternating vertical motions of the piston into the rotations of the crankshaft. The crankshaft drives the drive shaft and the camshaft through the timing belt. The camshaft operates the values which ensures fuel intake and the expiration of the exhaust gases through a coordinated rhythmic opening and closing. One power stroke occurs during 2 crankshaft rotations. See, in the first stroke is intake stroke. In this stroke, the piston moves downwards, decreasing the pressure in the cylinder. The intake valve opens. A mixture of air and fuel flows from the carburetor into the cylinder. Now let's see the stroke number 2. The stroke number 2 is compression stroke. In this stroke, both the intake and the exhaust valves are closed. The piston moves upwards, compressing the mixture of air and fuel and thereby increasing its temperature. You can see the third stroke, that is power stroke, which is very important stroke. The spark plug ignites the compressed and heated mixture of fuel and air. The explosion pushes the piston down. Now let's see the fourth stroke, that is exhaust stroke. In this exhaust stroke, the piston moves upward. The exhaust valve opens and the exhaust gases are expelled. As you can see, the linear motion of the piston is converted into the rotating motion of the crankshaft in the engine. The energy necessary to move the piston is provided by the combustion of fuel. The fuel used in the 4-stroke Otto engine is petrol, and important attribute of petrol is the octane number. The higher it is, the higher is the boiling point. Therefore, it can be compressed more, resulting in greater efficiency.